In this video, we'll be solving two questions from limits. First question is this one. In this question, there is a high chance majority of them will make a mistake that I will be explaining in between. Now, let us see how to solve this question. Limit x tends to minus infinity. This value, if something like this is there, that is, two terms will be there. If you notice one thing, the square of the second term will be directly inside this root. In that sense, you should multiply the numerator and denominator with the conjugate value. Therefore, this can be written as limit x tends to minus infinity root of 4x square minus 7x plus 2x the whole divided by 4x square minus 7x minus 2x into 4x square minus 7x under root minus 2x. Now we can apply a square minus b square identity. A plus b into a plus b, it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. That will become a square minus b square. So this will become limit x tends to minus infinity. A square will be square of this value, that you will be removing the root. It will be 4x square minus 7x, and b value is 2x, and it will be subtracted. Square of 2x will be subtracted. It will become 4x. The whole divided by root of 4x square minus 7x minus 2x minus 2x outside. These two values will be cancelling. Now our limit will become limit x tends to minus infinity. Numerator is minus 7x. Numerator value is minus 7x. Here what I will be doing in next step is I will be taking an x square common. So this will become root of x square into 4 minus 7 divided by x minus 2x. Here we will be taking this root x outside the bracket. Actually, what will be the value of root 4? Root 4 can have plus 2 and minus 2. When we do relations and functions and limit, we will directly take only the positive value. We will always consider the absolute value. Therefore, root 4 equal to modulus of minus 2 or modulus of plus 2, which is equal to 2. We will only consider the absolute value. Therefore, when you take this value outside, that is this x outside the bracket, this won't become an x. It can't be written as x into 4 minus 7 by x minus 2x. You can't directly take this x outside the bracket. When if you are taking that one, then you should consider root of x square will be coming out. That is root of x square into 4 minus 7x. 7 by x can be written as root of x square into root of 4 minus 7 by x square. That is root ab will be equal to root a into root b. Here, whenever you write this one, you can't directly write root of x square as x. It will become modulus of x. Root of x square will become modulus of x. That's the meaning. We will only consider the absolute value. Now this will become modulus of x. This root of x square value will be coming out as modulus of x. Now, what is the modulus of a negative number? That is, what is the modulus of minus 4? Minus 4 is actually minus 1 into minus 4. Modulus of minus 4 is minus 1 into minus 4, which is equal to 4. What is the modulus of minus 3? That will be minus 1 into minus 3, which will be 3. That means we will take the negative value. And what is the modulus of 4? Modulus of 4 is 4. Now, when you closely observe something, here modulus of x can be directly written as x. But here, modulus of x, if minus 4 equal to x, that's written as minus 1 into minus 4 is our x minus x. That means mod x is written as minus x. Whenever the value inside this modulus is, that is x is less than 0, it's a negative number. So always remember, mod x will be x if x is positive, and mod x will be minus x if x is negative. In that logic, this will be turning into minus x. Limit x tends to minus infinity minus 7x divided by, this will become minus x into root of 4 minus 7 by x minus 2x. Now we can cancel all x from the numerator and denominator. Also we can take this negative common and cancel. Therefore our limit will become limit x tends to minus infinity 7 divided by root of 4 minus 7 by x plus 2. Now when you apply the values minus infinity, this will become 7 divided by root 4 minus 7 divided by infinity minus 2. We already know 1 by infinity equal to 0. Therefore, this value will become 0. Therefore, our final answer will become 7 divided by root 4 will be 2, and here it is plus sign, it will be 2 plus 2, which is equal to 7 divided by 4. Now we can solve the second question. This question is limit n tends to infinity 1 raised to 4 plus 2 raised to 4 plus 3 raised to 4 etc. n raised to 4 the whole divided by n raised to 5 minus limit n tends to infinity 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. n cube divided by n raised to 5. Now I will be calling this limit as L. This limit will be L1 and this limit as L2. We will be separately evaluating these two limits and we will be subtracting. So first of all, we can start with the L2. What is the value of L2? L2 is the whole cube power, cube will be added. That is L2 will be equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. n cube divided by n raised to 5. N raised to 5. Now here sum of cubes of n natural number will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. n cube. Sum of cubes of n natural number will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. Therefore, this will become limit n tends to infinity n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square divided by n raised to 5. Now, in next step what we will be doing, this term can be written as, we can take an n, this can be written as n square into limit n tends to infinity n square into n plus 1 the whole square divided by n raised to 5 into this 2 square will be coming and it will become 1 by 4. Now we can cancel these two values, this will become n cube. Now when you divide with the numerator, limit n tends to infinity 1 by 4 is there. This will be a plus b the whole square. This can be written as a square plus 2ab plus a b square divided by 4 n cube. Now this 4 came outside as 1 by 4. When you split it, you will get 1 by n plus a 2 by n square plus a 1 by n cube. Now when you apply infinity, this will become 1 by 4 into 1 by infinity plus 2 by infinity square is infinity plus infinity cube is also infinity. This value will become 0. Now we need to do L1. How will you calculate L1? L1 is actually limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity. This is for L1. 1 raised to 4 plus 2 raised to 4 plus etc. n raised to 4 divided by n raised to 5. Now this can be written as limit n tends to infinity 1 by n into 1 raised to 4 plus 2 raised to 4 plus etc. n raised to 4 the whole raised to n raised to 4. Now this can be written as limit n tends to infinity 1 by n into 1 by n the whole raised to 4 plus 2 by n the whole raised to 4 plus 3 by n the whole raised to 4 plus etc. n raised to n the whole raised to 4 till n raised to n will be splitting those values. In next stage, this can be written as limit n tends to infinity 1 by n into sigma r varies from 1 to n 1 to n 1 by r by n the whole raised to 4. You can write it with the sigma notation. In next step what we will be doing, we need to apply limit as a sum. We will be doing this with the help of integration. The thing is, suppose it is given that limit n tends to infinity, n tends to infinity, 1 by n into sigma f of r by n, function of r by n, r varies from 1 to 1 or 0, both are possible, 1 or 0 to a n will be written as integral 0 to a, integral 0 to a f of x dx. This instead of d 1 by n we will be using dx and f of r by n will be replacing with the f of x. So here it's written it is varying from 1 to 1n, that is a value will be equal to 1. Therefore, this can be written as integral 0 to an. A will be 1, 0 to 1. F of x will be r by n. This is r by n the whole raised to 4. That will be written as x the whole raised to 4. This is f of r by n. This is f of r by n, which is equal to r by n the whole raised to 4. F of x will become x raised to 4. And 1 by n can be replaced with dx. Now integral x raised to 4 will be equal to integral x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 from 0 to 1. When you apply upper limit, it will become 1 by 5 and lower limit will become 0. So L1 value is equal to 1 by 5 and L2 value equal to 0. So their difference, when you take difference, our limit value will become 1 by 5 minus 0, which is equal to 1 by 5.